Okay, guys, I said I was going to do part two. I'm doing part two. These are the 275 gallon water tanks that I was talking about. They have metal frame, spout at the bottom. What I did was I put 4 of them right here, put them up on blocks. That way you can access the spouts. These are the spouts to take the water out. I wanted to be able to get to them, to be able to do that. They do sell covers for them to keep the sun out of them. As you can see, the water's been in them for a year and there's no algae or anything inside of them because of the pool shock that I put on them. Nothing, I can't stress that enough. Use pull shock on these. The 55 gallon drums, I can't stress that enough. Like I said, this water's been in these containers for a year and they're still crystal clear. I mean, all winter, there's 4 of them here. You can get the sun protectors. That's what these are. These are pretty cheap. They're like 35 bucks, I think. 30 bucks, I think, is what we paid for them. But it protects it from UV ray. You can buy these at Home Depot. You can buy them at Lowe's. You can buy them at Tractor Supply. You can buy them anywhere. You can get online and find out where they're at. Like most, if they don't have them at your local Home Depot or Tractor Supply or Lowe's or Menards or anything like that, you can get on their website, find out if they sell them. If they do, 99.75% of the time, if you buy something off of their website, they'll ship it right to the store where you live with no charge. So you can pick them up that way. Now, I know what I paid for these, and I didn't pay for what they go for. I know they go from anywhere. I've seen them, the lowest I've ever seen them at a store was 150, and the highest I've ever seen them was 325 for this kind of container with the metal frame. It all depends on where and the availability of them, how many they have in stock. Sometimes I get a big run on them, and you're going to be able to get a really big discount on them. But these are the kinds. I'll have my wife show you the top. That's the top. That's how you fill it up. But like I said, you got the UV protectors on top. I got to spray these off. I got dust. It's really dusty where we live. So, like I said, I put them all on blocks. They're in a steel frame, so I don't have to worry about them sitting on the blocks. They're all level. Like I said, there's 4 of them here, and that's 275 gallons. I mean, you can't, I mean, each one, that's a lot of water. So, anyway, you could put these things anywhere. I mean, literally, you could put them anywhere. Outside, that's where mine are. I keep them right outside. 55 gallon drums, same thing. What's really cool about the 55 gallon drums, if you make a stand for them, an X stand, so it would go like that, and frame it in, you can lay that barrel on its side and put a spout on it. Because the lids on them are threaded in the dead center of the lid, and then you could put a spout, you could drill a hole through it, and then thread the water spout on it, and then fill it in through the top one with the spout on the bottom. So you can continuously be using that 55 gallon drum for water access. Just keep filling it out of your 5 gallon water filtration systems that I told you about. Just take that water, pour it into the 55 gallon drum. You're gonna have to get a funnel to do it, to fill it. Just you and your spouse or you and the kids, just keep filling it. But anyway, I hope this helped everyone. Have a safe day. That's part 2 of the first one I just did. So be safe, guys. I'll get on in the next one. I've had a couple of requests for a couple of different kind of videos, so I'm going to do them. So we'll do them. Anyway, remember, 5, food, water, medicine, safe place, and means of self-defense. Get them done.